Hey guys, welcome to our home tour. So here is our front door, and we've got the same mat like we did at our old house, and then we have our hanging D for fall, and then we will go inside. Okay, so when you walk in, you just see a hallway and then stairs going up to the main floor. So here we just have our stroller, boot warmer, bench with water, shoes, and then we have our garage out here, and this is just a coat closet, lots of my husband's shoes, super fun. And then in here we have our playroom slash homeschool room. So here is what it looks like. I'll give you just an overview. And then I will show you everything. So right here we just have a closet with like the water heater and all of that. And then here I have some homeschool stuff set up. And I'll go more into that in my homeschool video. So go ahead and look out for that. And I will also link it below because I'm sure it's already posted. So I'll link it in the video and below. And then I just have a little rocking chair. You guys remember this from my other video. And then here is more of our homeschool area. Like I said, I'll go into that in another video. But here is more playroom. So we've just got a little area here to read. Got our dinosaurs from Hobby Lobby on the wall, IKEA table, and then we have Mason's kitchen set here, which is by Melissa and Doug, and he's just got all of his fun stuff. He's got his dishes, all kinds of food in there, some ice cream in the freezer, super cute. Then we've got all the kids' books. I did not bring the bookshelves that my husband made. Well, I did bring them, but I sold them. And I plan to just get a bookshelf for their bedrooms because they've just got so many books that they need another bookshelf. This space full of toys. We've got cars, vehicles in here, some crafty homeschool stuff in here, and some puzzles, markers, that kind of thing. Then we've got just random toys and all of Mason's flags in there, and another puzzle. This is like figurines, Peoples, Barbies, Peppa, all those things. Games. He's got more games that are upstairs because Grandma's here and they've been playing a lot. Then up here is kind of just a mess right now, but we've got stamps and tools, cash register, fruit, little fall project that Mason painted, so cute. A car wash and a game that needs to go in the closet. And then here is just some crafts that are near and dear to my heart, so I put them up here because they're just so cute. And then his Hot Wheels set, got a bunch of balls and Tinker toys, and this has like stuffed animals in it. Then in this closet, we have all kinds of games up there, and then my lighting stuff, and there's like Play-Doh and craft stuff in there, all that kind of stuff. And then I have to show you this. This is like Mason's favorite project he ever did. It's Mr. Golden Sun from Barney. I just think it's so cute. But yeah, that's cute. Yeah, and then in this closet we just have storage, like Christmas decorations, that kind of thing. So this is the kids' playroom. Super fun. I really love this room a lot. And they have a lot of fun down here. Love that it's carpeted and just a big, nice open space. So yeah, that's it for down here. Into the main living area. So this is living room, kitchen, dining room. And then right here, we have a bathroom. So just a simple little bathroom with a sink. And yeah, just really simple. So then here we have our living room. And I love this space. It's really open. really nice. So first off, we have our little entryway table, and I have it all decorated for fall. I just thought it was super cute, minus the internet stuff there. But I got this entryway table from Hobby Lobby, and I got all of the decor except for the fall stuff, which sounds funny, but like all the farmhouse stuff is from Hobby Lobby as well. And it was actually already set up on the table when I went to the store, and I was like, oh, I just want everything. I thought it looked perfect together. And then I added this piece might actually be from Hobby Lobby. I think it might be actually, but I think the welcome fall is from Kirkland's. I'm not sure, but all the farmhouse stuff is from Hobby Lobby, and I just thought it was so cute. I love this. It just goes really well. Love the pillows. It all just looks perfect. And then I did actually want to put a wreath on this mirror, but I had those like command sticks or strips, and it just would not stick. It kept falling, so I'm like, well, I'm just gonna call it a loss. But yes, so there's my entryway table that I absolutely love. And then here you see a door to our balcony and then our living room. So our couches are from IKEA, and I had those in our old house. And the rug is from Target. And here's our beautiful windows looking outside. And then Mace, of course, had to put some Halloween fall decorations on the window. So here are our couches. And the pillows are from Kirkland's. And then our TV stand that Mason decorated with fall stickers. And a couple of the kids' toys over there. So there is that. I'll give you another little overview. And then just up on this wall, I have a couple of family pictures. And of course, I still don't have one in that top frame. I need to print one, but I keep forgetting because, you know, mom life. And then we just have some of Presleys baby gear items right there that we use when we're down here. And then this is my all-time favorite part of the house. It's our kitchen. I just love it. It's like my dream kitchen. It's so big and just tons of storage space, and I absolutely love it. So here's a little overview. I mean, seriously, like, it's just gorgeous. Love it. Have the center island that I've always wanted. It's just perfect. So here I just did some fall decor, and the pumpkins are from Target, and the tealish green piece is from Hobby Lobby, and Welcome Friends, I believe, is from Kirkland's. Yes, I think so. So I thought that was really cute. I love that space that you can just like decorate if you want. And then here is the kitchen. So I'm throwing my fall decor in here as well for you guys. And look at this. How cute is this? Mason made this lantern at Tinker Garden. So cute. He did such a good job. I love it. So then over here in the corner, I have some fall decor from Kirkland's. Just this little bouquet, this really cute picture, and then pumpkins. I thought that just went really nice right there. I love it. And as you guys know, I like to have basically bare kitchen. I just think it helps me feel more calm, and it just looks better. I can't stand like cluttered counter space and stuff like that. So here is the kitchen. A little bit more fall decor over here. I just have this give thanks piece of decor from Kirkland's, and then my cute little pumpkin in the corner. Thought that was super cute. And then over here I just have my locally grown farm fresh sign, which is from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and my paper towel holder and center island. And yes, this is my dining room, but real life. We don't have a table yet, and it's just a bunch of stuff that needs to be packed up because we're moving again. So yeah, there's that. And there's our fridge, which I also am obsessed with. It's one of those that has like the pull-out freezer. I love it. So nice. Here's our back door. And I'll show you guys our little bitty yard. It's super rainy, so I guess you can't really see it, but it's just a small yard. And then I have these two pieces from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to do the farmhouse theme here, but now we're moving, so I'm gonna just take that theme to our new house. But I love those pieces. Then we have our water there, super exciting. So yeah, this is the main level, and I absolutely love it. So nice. This is probably my favorite part right here. Love it so much. We have the stairs going up to the bedroom, so we will go up there next. And right here actually starts our gallery wall. I decided to do it on this wall because I've just always wanted to put pictures like going upstairs. I think it looks really cool, so there is that. And now we'll head upstairs. Here is another view of the gallery wall. And then we are upstairs. So up here we have the bedrooms and a couple bathrooms. So we're gonna start with our bedroom. Okay, so here is our master bedroom, and as you can see, it's very minimal, very plain. I did plan to like hang decor and stuff, but like I said, since we are moving, I figured it would just be less stuff to have to pack up. So we just have the necessities. So this is our bed that we just got, and it is from Ashley Furniture, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Definitely plan on getting more pillows for the bed, but for now, this is what it looks like, and I just absolutely love it. It's a king size for reference, and there are our windows. Nice little chair that I've had, and then out here is actually another balcony, which is really cool. We have two in our house, so that's really nice. And yeah, that is our bedroom, and then my closet is in here, and it's really messy, but it is a nice size closet. Pretty big, just messy. So yeah. And then off of our bedroom, oh yeah, so the bedding is shabby chic from Target, and I love it. It's perfect, goes really well with the bed, and I just am obsessed. Okay, so then here's our master bath. I absolutely love it. There is a ton of room for Dylan and I. We have this huge walk-in shower, which is really great, and then the toilet is over there. Tons of storage. Love it. It's just awesome. And then my rugs, bathroom rugs, are from Target, in case you were wondering. And that little plant is from TJ Maxx, I think. So yeah, that's the master bath. Super fun. I love the lighting too. It's really nice. I'm just really gonna miss this bathroom. Love it. Super spacious. Lots of drawers and storage space. Mace's potty. So that is our master, which I'm really gonna miss. I really truly love this bedroom. There's a lot that I want to do with it, but when you move a lot, you kind of, you know, the less you have to pack up, the better. So there is our master. Okay, so then in our hallway, we have our laundry stackable right here, which I don't recommend to anyone. I am not a fan. These came with the townhome, and I just don't like stackable washers and dryers. Right here we have the kids' bathroom. You guys remember my decor from our old house. Had the alligator theme going on. So there is the kids' bathroom, and this is nice. We have the diaper genie there, lots of storage here for them. Nice little bathroom. Okay, so then here is Mason's bedroom. Super fun. I love this room. Here's a little overview. He's got his PJ Masks poster, his Kira bed from IKEA that he loves. And then I just did these string lights on his dresser. I thought it made it really fun. And there's his gallery wall. Everything is basically from Hobby Lobby and Target with the decor. And then his dresser, which we've been really organizing because this kid has so many clothes. Got a couple toys in there. But we've just been working at keeping everything organized just for my own sake. He doesn't really care, obviously, but I do, so. And his little laundry basket is from Target. That decor piece is from Hobby Lobby, or yes, Hobby Lobby. Here's his bed. So he has the PJ Masks sheets, and then the quilt is from Target. This Save the Wild pillow is from Pottery Barn. The little car is from Target, and the alligator is from Target as well. He just loves PJ Masks. He's on like a kick with that. So then here is the lower level, which we're gonna turn into a bunk bed. Those are just stickers on the ground. So we're gonna turn that into a bunk bed eventually. But yeah, that is Mason's room. And then he's got a nice closet too, which is just storage. Super fun. So yeah, that is his bedroom that he absolutely loves, and I love too. Super cute. There it is. I just love this. I think that is just so cute. Love string lights. They make every room just look more like cozy. And there it is with the lights off. Love it. Okay, and then the final room in the house is Presleys Nursery. So here is her nursery, and we did the same gallery wall as we did in our old house. I kind of tried to make her bedroom just look exactly the same as it did for the most part. I just thought it would help her to be like familiar with it for sleeping and everything like that, so tried to do that. But here is her gallery wall, dresser, and changing pad, and her little hamper. So her dresser is from a local store back in North Carolina, and we really like it a lot. And then she has her monitor from Target. This is from Target as well. And then I have all of her bows and headbands in this cute little basket I think I got from Hobby Lobby. This I haven't filled out yet, obviously. And all of her frames and the mirror are from Hobby Lobby. And then here's her little dresser. I like to be really organized with the kids' dressers. It just helps me. But there are her clothes, and then we need to restock the diaper situation there. But there are her clothes, stuff like that. Those are her curtains. I haven't hung the curtains because again we're moving, so why bother? Here is Presley's bed and her chair. And yeah, my battery's about to die, but there is Presley's room. I do have a nursery reveal that I'll link just because I kind of go in depth on where everything is from, but yeah, this is her sweet little bed. And the crib is from Target, I believe, as well. Same with the bedding. And yeah, her blankets are just various. Like I said, I'll link that other nursery reveal video where I go in depth and everything because my phone is dying. So yeah, there you go, guys. And that is going to be it for our home tour. I hope you enjoyed. Leave me any comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!